Those are some great wins. And yeah, I'm going to do that coaching thing. What I'm hearing from you is that some of the wins were personal to you as a person, right? The courage to be vulnerable, stepping into your fear and through it and submitting. And then some of them were very practical and hands-on in terms of learning various aspects of becoming a professional writer and becoming published. And that's really interesting to me because that's the exact intent of the programs, is that you grow as a person, and of course that you grow as a writer so that you can become a paid writer and get your name into the marketplace and all of those wonderful things. What do you think that it is about the writing gym that is unique or specific to addressing those two different aspects of you as a whole person?
That's a great question. I think that that's the combination, right, of the modules, which give you that foundation and that base of how to enhance your writing and what is looked for in the writing industry. But then also meeting with you, someone who has the experience, someone who's created this platform for us. So I think being able to speak to you every week about, okay, I learned this, but the thought of sending a query makes me shake all over. So, so then you can explain, okay, I've been there. Other people have been there, do it and then go celebrate it. So I think that there's the combination of, it's not just like a module or a class you're taking on being a better writer. It's specific, and it's also, you have the specific course for that, right? That I'm specifically in. I'm not just, oh, this is how to be a better writer. Like, no, this is how you write an article. This is how you submit an article. So there was that it was very specific and personalized to what I wanted. And then also being able to speak to you about it and being able to talk through that fear a little bit, I think helps.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.